Hello students, welcome back to Standard 10 Mathematics 1 digital class. Quadratic equations. You have already learned about quadratic equations in your previous sessions. What is a quadratic equation? An equation involving one variable and having 2 as the maximum index of the variable is called a quadratic equations. The standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Here a, b and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. What happens if a is equal to 0? This term will become 0 and the equation reduces to a linear equation. Since the degree of this equation or the maximum index of the variable is 2, this equation has two roots. To find the values of the variable, we have a formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now, let us solve practice set 2.4. First question, compare the given quadratic equation to the general form and write the values of a, b and c. The given quadratic equation is x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. Comparing solution. Comparing x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0 with the standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to. Here a means it is the coefficient of x square. Here coefficient of x square is 1. So a is equal to 1. B is equal to, b means it is the coefficient of x. Here coefficient of x is minus 7. And c is the constant term. So here constant term is 5. So c is equal to 5. So these are the values of a, b and c. Comparing the given quadratic equation with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 5. Question number 2. Solve using formula. The given quadratic equation is x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. Solution. Comparing x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0 with the standard equation, standard form, with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get, first we write the values of a, b and c. A is equal to, what is A? A is equal to 1, coefficient of x square, and b is equal to coefficient of x, that is 6, and c is equal to 5. So here we have to solve this quadratic equation using formula, quadratic formula method. So here x is equal to, what is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. That is, there are two values. One is when we take this plus, second value when we take the minus. And we denote the values, the values of x as alpha and beta. Now this is equal to, we can substitute the values. This is equal to, here we have b is equal to 6. Then what is minus b? Minus 6 plus or minus root of b square. That is 6 square minus 4ac. 4 into a is 1 into c is 5. Square root of. Divided by, whole divided by 2a. That is 2 into, again what is a? Value of a is 1. So this is equal to, x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus root of 6 square. B square is 6 square. 6 square, that is 36 minus 4 into 1 into 5. 20 divided by 2 into 1, that is 2. Is equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 20 is 60 divided by 2 is equal to minus 6 plus or minus, and we know square root of 16 is what? 4 divided by 2. Therefore, x is equal to, now we take both the values, minus 6 plus 4 divided by 2, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 divided by 2. This is equal to minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. And or here x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10 divided by 2 is minus 5. X is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 5. So, therefore, we write the answer. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 5 are the roots of the given quadratic equation, that is x square minus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. Next question is y square plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. First we will write this in the standard form, that is y square plus 1 by 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. That is taking plus 2 to left hand side, it will become minus. Now since here 3 is there, fraction is there, 3 is there in the denominator. If we multiply this equation throughout by 3, we will get a simpler equation. That is 3y square plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. That is multiplying by 3. 3 into y square, 3y square plus 1 by 3 y into 3. That 3 will get cancelled. Only y is remaining. Minus 3 into 2 is equal to 6 is equal to 3 into 0 is 0. Now comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 6. That is comparing the given quadratic equation with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 3, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 6. Now writing the formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So instead of direct substitution, first we can find out b square minus 4ac and then substitute. So we'll find out b square minus 4ac first, which is the discriminant. B square minus 4ac is equal to, what is b? 1. That is 1 square minus 4 into a into c. A is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 6. So 3 into minus 6 is equal to 1 square is 1, minus into minus plus 4 3s are 12 into 6, 72 is equal to 73. That is, we are finding b square minus 4ac separately and then substitute that in the formula. Therefore, x is equal to minus b, that is minus 1 plus or minus root b square minus 4ac, that is 73, divided by 2a, that is 2 into 3. 2 into 3. That is, x is equal to minus 1 plus root 73 divided by 6, or x is equal to minus 1 minus root 73 divided by 6. That is, 73 is not a perfect square, so we write root of 73 as it is. Therefore, x is equal to, or we can write, therefore minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6, comma, minus 1 minus root 73 upon 6 are the roots of the given quadratic equation.